One of the questioners, and I think it's a question for many of our youth leaders, this one is from Linda Pace at the International Student Exchange. So how do you keep youth leaders who are essential for building peace into the next century from becoming discouraged at the pace of change? How do you encourage them to not become discouraged?
Like our own recent experience, you see, when you leave your own country individually or small group, when you meet other people from other country, you get more encouragement, more enthusiasm. So, you see, the worldwide sort of the kasuta, draw or contact is, I think, very essential. Like your organization, you see, you can now the meeting, the group also need money. So, such as your organization, I think arrange a different place, different continent, more meeting, quite often meeting, if possible, annually. That, you see, gives them encouragement and sense of community.